handsome naman if yung lalaki.
She is She's gonna dance. So there she is. Oh, which there's mom, yeah, and Tia, the 3 and 0. So here I guys. So I'm gonna video my mom and see that she's an incredible dancer because she is a teacher in the black hat, of course. So I'm gonna see my mom can dance. So I'm gonna vlog in. I mean, not vlog. So I'm gonna video her because she's my mom and she's a teacher. So all she wanted from when she's a kid, she wants to be a teacher, and yeah, that wish came true. Yeah. So I can see her, and there she is. She's back here, and see you at the night. Look, the moon is already done. So it looks like look all the stuff. Look all the stuff. Look at it. There's her shoes. Look, there's her shoes. That's her shoes. And there's all the kids. There's a kids over there. At hindi mo kikita siya. Oh, yung sapatos na. Ayun si ma'am. Ayun siya.
Napaka-reklamador mo naman.
Mami! Mami!
Paisa pa!
1. I-picturein ko ikaw. 1, 2, 3.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Ito. Yan si ma'am. Sasayaw. Utin lang yung ano.
Agad.